Hello everyone, welcome to my class. This is the first time I am going to upload a class on YouTube. Hope you will enjoy it. I am introducing myself, Mohammad Imran Kabir, Assistant Teacher English, Pabna Collectorate Public School and College, Pabna. Email i.kabir01111@gmail.com. Today I am going to take a class for Class 9, subject English First Paper, Unit 8, Lesson 4. At first, I will show you some picture on the screen, and you have to guess what can you see, or what is the picture about. Do you recognize the picture? What is the place? Okay, I will help you to recognize it. This is the place. This is a lake. At first, I will give you a clue. This is a lake, and what kind of lake is this? Tell me. Okay, I will help you. This is the Lake Baikal. Many of you have heard the name Lake Baikal. So our today's lesson is Lake Baikal, Unit 8, Lesson 4. Now we will see some learning outcomes. That means after completing this lesson, you will learn something from the text. Suppose you will be able to ask and answer question, read and understand the text materials, learn new words and pronunciation, write to the answer of the question. Now I will discuss some keywords. Through these keywords, it will be really easy for you to understand the text properly. I will describe the word as well. I will provide you some synonym. The first word is ancient. You must listen to the pronunciation properly so that you can pronounce the word properly. There is a picture for you. Through this picture, you can recognize the word ancient. The picture is related to the word because we can see something really ancient or old. There are some synonymous words: fast, early, past, former, primeval, primordial, primitive. All these words are related to the word ancient. There you can see another sentence with the word, it is an ancient monument. I'm going to the next. There you see another word, center. You can recognize the word through the picture, I hope. And there are some synonymous words, middle, interior, inside, inner. That means pointing towards something exactly. There is a sentence, it is the center of the earth. I'm going to the. You can see another word, gigantic. You can easily recognize this picture, recognize the word through this picture. We can see some huge fishes. There are some synonymous words, huge, enormous, vast, extensive. There is a sentence also, they caught gigantic fishes. I think this type of picture always helps a student to recognize the word properly. Next, here it is lake. We have already discussed the word lake. You can see this is a lake and there are some word meaning or synonymous word, pool, tarn, reservoir, water hole. In a word, this is a water body. There is a sentence, the beauty of the lake amuses us. You can see another word, bowl, a thing through which we can put something or we can shape something, we can store something. There are some synonymous words, dish, basin, pan, pot. There is a sentence, a bowl can hold the curry. Now you can see this is the word streams. This is a really familiar word to us. The synonymous words are brook, surge, runnel, spout. You must write down the word you don't know or the word is really new to you. Please write down or make a note. This is a sentence. The stream is not very swift. You can see there is another word, springs. This is the picture of a spring. Water is falling down from a top of the place. And there are some synonymous words: spray, spout, fountain, cascade. There is a sentence also: water is obtained from springs at the foot of the hill. I hope that after discussing about these words, this will be really helpful for the students to understand the text properly. After this slide, you will find the text. You have to read the text silently, and after that, I will read the text for you. And then we will go for the rest of the activity. Dear students, now read the text below. I have solved or I have explained all those keywords. Now it will be really easy for you to understand the text properly. I will read the text for you, and you also read the text, and then go for the practice. Lake Baikal is the deepest and one of the biggest and most ancient lakes of the world. It is situated almost in the center of Asia. Lake Baikal is a gigantic bowl set at 445 meters above sea level. This grand, enormous, unusual and charming miracle of nature is located in the south of eastern Siberia, in the Beirut Autonomous Republic and region of Irkutsk, Russia. The lake covers 31,500 square kilometers. It is 636 kilometers long and an average of 48 kilometers wide. The widest point of the lake is 79.4 kilometers. The water basin occupies 5,57,000 square kilometers and contains 23,000 cubic kilometers of water, which is about 1/5 of the world's reserves of fresh surface water. The average water level in the lake is never higher than 456 meters. The average depth of Lake Baikal is 730 meters, and its maximum depth in the middle is 1,620 meters. It would take about 1 year for all the rivers of the world to fill Baikal's basin, and would take 400 years for all the rivers, streams, and brooks now flowing into Siberian Lake Sea to do the same. There are hot springs in the surrounding area of Lake Baikal. The quality of the water of these springs is excellent. The lake acts as a powerful generator and biofilter producing this water. Baikal is a stormy lake. Autumn is the most stormy time. The wind blows in various directions. The weather depends on the wind. If it is blowing from the north, the weather is bright and sunny. The water of the lake looks green and dark blue. But if the winds get stronger, Baikal turns black. Waves rising high with white crest. The beauty of the Baikal is exceptional. Now, if you have any question or query about this passage, you can ask me in the comment. I will try to help you. Now it's individual work for you. You have to fill this blank, reading the passage or taking help from the passage. I'm providing the answer for you also. You can see the biggest lake in the world is so big or huge that it is called a sea, the Caspian Sea. It is in Asia. It covers or occupies an area of 3,70,980 square kilometers. The biggest lake is Lake Baikal, having an average depth of 730 meters. The lake acts as a powerful generator and biofilter producing water. We are going for another activity. This is also not group work. Now you know you are staying at home, so you should not go for group work. You have to do it by yourself. Which is the most ancient lake of the world? Lake Baikal is the most ancient lake of the world. Where it is situated? It is situated almost in center of Asia. How much water does the lake occupy? The lake occupies about 1/5 of the world reserves of fresh surface water. How does the lake act? The lake acts as a powerful generator. And my last question is, what kind of lake is Lake Baikal? Lake Baikal is a stormy lake. Dear students, you can see there is a homework for you. Write a summary on Lake Baikal, not more than 80 words. You have to complete the task at home. Thank you everyone watching this video. For more videos, subscribe my channel, Muhammad Imran Kabir. Hope I will post more classes in near future. Stay home and be safe. Thank you, everyone.